Hello and welcome to the DDS Lab version 3.3.3 video tutorial Specimen Details. The focus is on understanding how to zero actual displacement and back volume when starting a test, ensuring accurate calculations. So first, you'll see from the screen right now, we're in the Specimen Details tab, we can see right here. Now first, the most important thing to look at is the specimen here. Now, this is a diagram that, depending on the test that you select, will probably show exactly what your specimen looks like. So here are the key parameters that you need to set. So initial height and initial diameter. So it will change with each test that you have. It might not even show initial height and diameter at all. But these are the two key things. If they're there, you need to make sure you put in correctly. Then the next part of this, you've got all of your metadata. So all of these, so this entire section here from top to bottom, all of these columns, you can input metadata that will not be included with the test, but then once you save it off and everything, it will then be included. So whilst you run it, you won't be able to see all of this, but it's just added information on the file. Then you can use your sample is docked tick box or not, and generally speaking, this is to do with if you're running a triaxial test or not. So if you're not running a triaxial test, you don't need to worry about this. And then once you're happy with everything, we can go ahead and press OK. And what this does is it asks you first if this test is on a new specimen, of which if it isn't, you can select no, and then it won't zero the parameters that are relevant. If you press yes, it will. So if I press yes, it's then zeroed the parameters that are specific to my test that I've got a demo set up at the moment for triaxial. So it zeroed these ones for me, but it will be relevant to the test that you do. So once you've done that, you can then press OK. To check this, I could go back to the station configuration, and we can see back volume, actual displacement have both zeroed, and base volume as well for my example. And yeah, that's how to do it. And then obviously you move on to the next part of the test, where you can select whatever test you want. So yeah, anyway, it's as easy as that. This was 3.3.3 Specimen Details. Thank you.